Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the chord of F major. F major. So let's get started. Okay, F major is one of those chords that you've probably heard about. A lot of people dread learning how to play. It's really not that difficult to play. You just have to practice and get used to it. Rather than avoid learning how to play F, it's more to your advantage to learn how to play F because it's used quite often. When you're using chord progression of C or G sometimes in different chords. So I find it's best to go ahead and learn that, practice it, get used to it, and it'll be much easier to learn. I'll show you a couple of different ways you can play. In fact, I'll show you like 3 different ways you could play F chord and until you transition into the full major chord. Okay, to play the F major chord, you want to place finger number 1 across these 2 strings here. So you're actually making a bar, and that's where a lot of people kind of find it difficult to play. But you'll place your finger number 1 across strings 1 and 2, okay, and then finger number 2 will be on the next string, number 3, up above on fret 2. Then finger number 3 will be stretched to the 3rd fret of the 4th string, okay, and then you just want to play strings 4 on down, 4 on down. That is F major. And if you kind of look closely here, I've got my fingers kind of slanted. My thumb is kind of pointing toward the head of the guitar. You can't be straight like this and successfully bar strings 1 and 2 on that. You pretty much have to go at an angle and kind of use maybe the corner of your finger as opposed to the front, okay? And then bring your palm up closer to the neck right here. Thumb kind of pointing toward the head of the guitar, and kind of tuck your elbow in also to play this chord. Kind of play at a slant or at an angle. You can also kind of rest these fingers on each other to kind of help apply pressure as well. Okay, that's the F major chord. Another way to play it, if you recall, the E shape was like right here, shaped like that. If you just move that up 1 and then place a bar and then strum all strings, that makes a bar chord of F major. So some people play the F in that manner. So if you play that bar chord, it does require quite a bit of force on your first finger, and you got to kind of plant your thumb in right behind the neck in order to achieve that bar chord. So that's one way you can play F major. Again, I find it would be easy just to go ahead and learn how to play this little simple 2-finger bar on string number 1 and 2, then finger number 2 on string 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 of the 4th string of the 3rd fret. Okay, that is the F major chord. Another way you might can play F is just don't bar the first 2 strings. Just simply place finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then let your bottom string ring out. That is a F major 7. It's got a beautiful sound to it, so you can hear the difference between F major 7. So you can get away with that on some songs. Okay, so in review, to make the F major chord, place finger number 1 across strings 1 and 2 of the 1st fret. Finger number 2 is on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Finger number 3 is on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then strum strings 4 down. That makes F major chord. Okay, to learn how to play other guitar chords, just visit my playlist in the description below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I could easily be found, and you'll be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day, and God bless you.